Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to install apps on your JSW TV. Alright, so this is a JSW TV. To access your apps, you can see apps right there. You can go ahead and select. So select it, or you can go all the way to the left. Sorry. Alright, so you can select apps as you're seeing here. Let me go back. Okay. All right, so you can go all the way to the left and you'll see apps again right there in the corner. So move extreme left and you'll have apps once more. Either one will work. So let's go to apps and I'm going to show you to install a new app on your device. So go up, you're going to go to the App Store. So once you launch the App Store, you'll see all of these. So these are your apps right here. You can go by class, or you can classification, or you can search. So for example, if you need something very specific, you can go over here and go to the search tab, as you can see here. All right, so I'm going to exit this. All right, let's use one of these. Let's say I want to get Amazon Instant Video. I'm going to go ahead and select. So go ahead and select Amazon Instant Video. All right, and there's an option to download. In some cases, you might need an account, but go ahead. If you already have an account, it should be good. So hit download. And as you can see there, it's installing the app. All right, so it should simply download the app. Once you have set up your TV, everything is there already, so you should not have any issues. And notice it says installing. All right, so Prime Video is for videos. So as you can see, the preview beneath here with what you can do. And we'll go home. All right, now for any app that you have installed, they'll appear here. And there you go, it's refreshing. All right, so it's refreshing and there's the app. And all you gotta do is launch it. And that's how easily you can install a app on your JSW TV. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.